Welcome guys to this segment of this training. Now I'll be teaching you on how to use the audio MP3 editor app. Now if you open the app, first of all you see this trim audio. As the name implies, this is what you use to trim audios. Maybe you just want specific part of the audio. You can just trim that part out. Once you tap on it, you can select all the what's it called? You can select the audio you want to trim, and you go ahead to trim it. But if you actually record it with your phone, the first thing you should do is come to this audio converter, because your phone will save it as 3GPP format. So we need to convert it to MP3 format. Like this record I did now, it was saved in 3GP format. So now I need to change it to MP3 format. So what I'll do is I'll tap on the audio. Once I tap on it, then I can rename it to something that I can easily remember. Then once you rename it, make sure here it's selected as MP3. Then the next thing you do is tap on OK, and you will see it loading. Okay, let me tap OK. You see it loading, and once it is done, it will tell you it has finished loading. So the next thing is after you have successfully converted it to MP3, you can go ahead to trim the audio if you don't want any unwanted part. Like maybe during the beginning part, you were not saying anything serious. Maybe you were just trying to compose yourself for the first 5 seconds. You can just tap on the trim, select the audio you want to trim, then use here to adjust it. So this part you did not say, this white part here now will be trimmed out. It's only this part that is green that will be added to the video. You can use this to the audio. You can use this one like this to select how long, where you want the audio to cut from. You can use this part here to adjust it how you want it to be. While use here to zoom out or zoom in. This part here at the down. Then when you are done, you tap on trim. Once you tap on trim, you rename it to whatever you want to rename it as, then click on OK, and it will rename, and that part will be trimmed. So you can trim different parts of an audio and remove unwanted parts. Then after you are done, you can still merge all those parts you have trimmed already. So like this merge audio, that's the function of the merge audio now. You can use it to merge your audio. So what you do is tap on add audio. Once you tap on add audio, the next thing is alright, so when you're done with that, just tap on this MP3 amplifier app. When you open it, the purpose of this app is to help you amplify the sound of your voicing. So I'll tap on the plus. So I'll go and look for plus icon at the bottom. So I'll go and look for the app the audio I just converted from this thing, from that audio editor cutter app. Then once I see the audio, I will just, the reason why I said you should name it to something you can easily find is because of this, so that you can just know the name you use to save it. Then once you select it, tap on done. Once you tap on done, please, this thing is very essential because people don't want to strain their ear to hear what you're saying. So you need to make it very loud and this one will make it very catchy. So what you do is you double tap this stuff here. Once you double tap it, you can use this slide bar here, this volume bar here, to increase or reduce how loud the sound will be. Then you tap on this play to preview it, to hear how it sounds. If it is making some jugu sound, reduce it a bit so that it will not make that sound. You just reduce it a bit. Then you tap play to preview. And when you are done, you tap OK. And after you finish tapping OK, what you do next, you just tap on amplify, and it will save automatically on your phone. I'm using style to wait if it will preview. Well, if you are okay with the sound, but make sure it's very loud enough, tap OK, then amplify. Then tap on amplify, and it will start saving. Amplify at the top, you see it at the top. To start saving, showing you a bar at the bottom here. Then, okay, showing already. Then it will save automatically when you are done, when it's finished. Once you select the merge audio, the next thing is you tap on the part you have already cut out that you want to merge. You tap on, let's